Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link your smartwatch to your phone using the Mactive Pro app. To make sure everything works perfectly, follow these steps. Before opening the app, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, long press the Mactive Pro icon and go to App Info. It's essential to enable permissions for location, nearby devices, notifications, and storage or photos. This ensures a stable connection and allows you to upload custom wallpapers. When you enter the app for the first time, accept the terms and conditions. I recommend selecting the access as guest option to speed things up. The app will ask for personal data like name, age, and weight. You can adjust these now or keep the defaults and click accept. Inside the app, go to the device section and at the top, select Chat Smartwatch. The automatic search will begin. Once your model appears, select it to connect. Pro tip: if the watch doesn't appear or won't link, perform a factory reset on the watch and try again. Now, go to the message notification section. If a pop-up window appears, you must enable the notification access toggle for Mactive Pro in your system settings. Once enabled, go back to the app and check all the social media and apps you want to receive alerts for on your wrist. Finally, to set your own photo, enter dial marker to select all watch faces and go to the My Dial tab. Choose the first option called Photo Watch Face. Press Select Image to open your gallery and pick your favorite picture. Click Installs and wait a few seconds for the transfer to finish. And that's it. You now have calls, notifications, and your custom background all set up. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Greetings to everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.